G'day folks, Darren Finkelstein here. Lovely to see you and Happy New Year to you in this 2021, and hopefully we'll all have a better and safer year ahead. I've got my big surprise. It's just arrived from the printer today, hot off the press. My new book number 4. It's called The Accountability Advantage, Play Your Best Game. And I'm going to open up the boxes, these brown boxes for the very first time. And for those of you out there who have written books and you'll know exactly the feeling you have of watching all your hard work, that blood, sweat and tears, turn into reality. And here she is now. So we're taking out some packaging fillers, which is good, so it didn't bounce around in the fray. And here we go. Wow, have a look at this. How fantastic. Absolutely thrilled to bits. To everybody involved in making this happen, the team at Publish Central, to Michael and Anna, you guys have done an absolutely amazing job. Oh, have a look at these quotes. This is fantastic. And to my good buddy Andrew Griffiths, love you mate, thank you so much for help making this a reality. So if you want to grab a copy of this, head to theaccountabilityadvantage.com.au and grab yourself a copy. Wow, this is brilliant.